Tho muno ni undu wa gucoka ndirehoka no urathie na mbere wega. DJ Fatso riu ni atumurite kanwa gake na akorwo akianika ndeto itarakiuikaine ciengie maundu ma gikuo giki gia kiriga kia Jeff Mwathi. DJ Fatso aritie ndeto icio riri family ya Jeff makiria mamwa Jeff Mwathi athiete na mbere na gwethana na kihoto kia mwana wake. Ari na miario miingi Fatso augite gutire gwakorwo na cira o wothe wigi Jeff Mwathi kuragwa gitenderithia ati Jeff Mwathi ne kweruta erutire muoyo. DJ Fatso atareidie ati after DCI gwika uthuthuria wake ndionire mundu o wothe na mahitia mathitango na koguo fairo iyo mwisho yakinyire kuhingwo. Agitariria makiria ugite thutha wa mundu ukorwo akirekana ni eruta muoyo fairo yake ndihinguragirwo kuria borithi but itwaragwo igoti-ini na thutha wa jaji guthikiriria miena yothe akauga cira ukoragwo ugituo ni igoti kana hihi ni uguthie na mbere kana igoti nire kuhinga fairo iyo. Fatso akiuga everyone who had interacted na Jeff Mwathi on the day ya gukorwo akihuruka akorirwo agitreatwo as a witness, as a state witness. Kaundu akoretwo akiuga ati andu aingi matikiwe kuona marakoretwo makimuikiria mahinga muno, akiuga nake he was being treated as a witness to this case. Fatso eteteire muno in this interview agikorirwo agika akiuga andu ni makorirwo makimutwira cira na ihenya na makimuikiria mahiga and they never took time to understand ati ona akiari murata wa hakuhi muno na Jeff Mwathi na gikuo giki kia Jeff Mwathi ni gikorirwo gikimu affect muno. Akiuga riria andu mamutuagira cira na makamuikiria mahiga he was also mourning the painful death of a dear friend. Akiuga kuona we ni interacted na Jeff hakuhi muno koguo Jeff was a dear friend to him na koguo riria andu mamutuagira cira he was also mourning the death of murata wake. Neno ni miario iria DJ Fatso agikorirwo akiaria egie gukua kwa Jeff Mwathi na nginyagia cira uyo na uria maundu magitarie.
Okay. So in the whole situation, nobody was charged because nobody had done whatever people were saying. So the file was forwarded. Okay, what happens? I came to understand that later. Mimi hizo ni vitu sijaijua. What happens when a person commits suicide? File yake ifungiangwe police station. Inapelekangwa kotini, ndio sasa judge anasikiza nyi wote mnaenda kotini as state witnesses.
Yeah.
Together with the DCIs, they are witnesses. Mimi mwenye tulikuwa tumeshinda pamoja, anybody who interacted with him or anybody who just saw something of this sort, you know. So ikifika pale, so the judge atasikiza kila mtu. Finally, yeye ndo mwenye akona say ya kusema nimefunga file, nimepata kuna mtu yote mwenye.
Okay, based on the evidence that